Hello, welcome back to Red Ted Art, and today we're going to be showing an overview of how to make a go-kart. So let's get started.
So what are the wheels? Where are they from?
So we've got these bike wheels.
Okay, so what kids' bikes, yeah?
Kids' bikes, yeah.
Little kids' bikes.
Yeah. And then we've also got this one as an axle. These will be the bike wheels.
So this axle is just a threaded bit of steel. Yeah? But how are you going to make them turn? What's here?
Because there's like a...
Where's that from?
It's from inside there.
Oh, so that was already on the bike, yeah? So you made sure you kept it?
Yeah, because it just broke.
And it's very gooey, isn't it? Okay, they don't touch you because you just washed your hands. Have to wash them again. Okay, so we'll have a look again in a bit, but that's basically it. So just the bike wheels taken apart on a metal rod, right?
Yep, lots of sawing involved there.
Lots of sawing.
And then we're also going to have to saw this down.
Yeah,
it's not too long. So we cut down a pallet.
So the pallet had what, 4 parts?
4 parts.
And you chopped this side off?
But with the saw. So
yep.
we just finish it off there.
Oh, careful. And then, so this is going to be...
So now this comes off, and then
that's the main body, yeah?
Yeah. And then there's another piece.
This one's going to go around the front.
Yeah. It's going to go around the front. And also there was a couple of more, so we sawed it down because there's 5 of them, so we sawed it down to 3. And then we've basically,
Okay, so let's...
Oh, and then we've also hammered an extra piece on the bottom to make it more...
Oh, you've added some...
So you can actually
leftover pallet wood that's going down there. So you've added that, have you?
Yeah, we've added that.
Okay, so a whole pallet that runs along just to give it a bit of strength, yeah?
At the very bottom.
That's the whole panel. So that's one whole pallet almost used to its entirety, yeah?
Yeah.
Great. Okay, so we'll have a look at the next bits.
Yeah.
What are you doing?
So I'm hammering it in, so we're able to get the metal rod in.
So you're making a marker for the drill.
Yeah.
Then you're taking the drill and you're going to make a big hole in here.
Yes.
And this is then where the what's it called? The axle goes through.
The axle, and then
have a look at what it looks like on this side because you've done it on the back.
So we've actually done this already.
So you can see.
So it goes right through it.
Oh yeah. Okay. Gosh, and can you see it? Oh yeah, you can see it underneath going through and coming out the other side. Steering works.
You just pull it.
But how does it swivel?
I don't know. It's because, wait, move. Sorry.
What are you going to put in front?
So how did you...
So we're going to put a 5-inch screw.
Yeah, move over. So
Bolt.
Yeah.
So it's...
Oh, there's nothing there yet, you mean? It's just resting?
Yeah, it's just resting.
Oh, I see. You're going to have a bolt there, right. Okay.
So it squirts like that.
Okay, yeah.
And like that.
At the moment, that's just a hole with it knotted in, yeah?
Yeah, at the bottom here.
And you're going to add a screw in the middle for it to swivel around.
So we burnt it so you're able to get it through.
Yeah. Oh, nice. Yeah, good.
So we've added... So we've done the other ones, the axle to go through.
Yeah.
But we need to put bolts on either side here and
to secure
there.
it, yeah.
So we need 8 of them.
Yeah.
And then we're also going to get a 5-inch bolt.
Yeah.
To put here. So it stays in.
So you need something to drill in the middle.
Yeah.
Here, which
and
then swivels round. And what is the rope from?
It's actually an old skipping.
Oh, good use. Well done. And you just basically drilled a hole, pushed it through.
We burnt it so you're able to get it through.
Yeah. So you just need to have a swivel bolt now, yeah?
Yeah, and then also 4 other bolts.
Cool.
And then we're also going to paint it. Okay, so
The brake system.
the brake works with this is basically so it doesn't fall into the wheel.
Yeah, and what is that black thing?
It's from its stabilizers.
Oh, nice use, yeah.
And then this is a metal bracket.
Yeah.
Or arm, I can't remember what they're called.
Yeah.
And then we basically use some leftover bits.
So it's just a little wooden brake. Great. Cool.
And it actually works quite well, but it does throw you off if you try to turn it to. You're the controller. Me? Yeah. And you need to brake, okay? Don't brake unnecessarily.
Give your inspiration to make one yourself. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment and like. Bye!
Bye!